Try this question. Try to find your answer. Take 5 second time. Only 5 second time. And try to get your answer. Formula, I give you one hint. Formula is this one. Faraday's law. Apply this formula and get your answer. And tell what is your answer. You got your answer D. Okay, let us see. You are telling that answer C. What I am telling, E is equal to minus of, it is constant, N is constant, d phi by dt. See here, d phi by dt means, or we can say minus L di by dt. Both are the formula. So it is given IT graph, so we'll use IT graph. It is telling that the slope of IT graph with negative sign. Remember, slope of this with negative sign. See here, IT graph given here. IT graph. Yes. B. Okay. I think now you're right. For this, you know, slope is constant and positive, but we have negative sign here. So for this, we will get a negative slope for this reason. After this, for this, we have slope 0. So we will have slope 0 for this. After this, we have slope negative and negative slope, and we have negative sign outside also. We will get positive. After that, we will get positive, and our answer will be B. Okay, got it.